Hello guys, my name is Ashish and welcome to a brand new series on Golang. Throughout this series, we will learn Go and do some small exercises in between. Now it is okay if you are new to programming or you are not familiar with any other languages. We will try to cover everything from scratch. So in this video, we gonna have a quick introduction to what Golang is and some of its benefit over other languages. So what is Golang? Golang is an open source programming language developed by a team at Google and the combined effort of others contributors, and it is meant to simplify the process of software development, particularly for complex architecture and processes. Instead of building from scratch, Go was developed based on C language. Now let's talk about some of its benefits. Golang is fast because it is compiled into machine code. Golang is easy to learn because Go syntax is small compared to other languages. Go has Go routines. Yes, it uses Go routine to achieve concurrency. Go runs directly on underlying hardware. Code written in Go is easy to maintain. Last but not least, Go is backed by Google. So guys, that is pretty much on introduction. In next video, we will set up Go into our system and write our first Hello World program. So thank you guys for watching. I will see you in next video.